Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Alvin. And hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for being here. Sarah, I have a story today.
Oh, I like stories. Is it a happy story or a scary story?
It is a doctor story.
Ah, so a little scary.
Yes. Yesterday, I went to the doctor, and I was more afraid of English than of the doctor.
What happened?
I felt really bad. My head hurt, my stomach hurt. I was a disaster.
Poor Alvin.
I went to the clinic. The doctor looked at me and said, "So, what seems to be the problem?"
Classic doctor question.
In my head, I had many words in my language, but in English, my brain said, "Error, no file found."
Oh, no.
I tried to speak. I said, "I am not good. My head is pain. My stomach is bad. Everything is problem."
And what did the doctor do?
He looked at me like, "This human is interesting."
Oh, dear.
I wanted to explain, "I have a sharp pain here. I feel dizzy. It started 2 days ago," but I had no English for that.
Many people listening have exactly the same fear. You can maybe talk about food or movies, but at the doctor, you feel lost.
Yes, and that is scary because health is important.
Exactly. So today's episode is very useful. Today we will talk about how to talk to a doctor in English. Explain your problems simply.
Good. I need this. My future body needs this.
We will learn simple sentences for making an appointment, explaining your problem, and understanding basic advice.
Finally, my English and my body can work together.
Before we start, a small, polite request.
Yes, our classic moment.
If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English with Ease.
And please like this video. It really helps more learners find our podcast.
You can also share this episode with a friend who is afraid to speak English at the doctor.
Yes, send it to your "I'm sick but shy" friend.
Thank you so much. Now let's go to the doctor together with simple English, not panic. Let's start with some important words. Doctor, you know this one. The person who checks your health. Clinic, a small place where you see a doctor. Hospital, a big place for health with many doctors and beds.
Okay.
Appointment, a time you book to see the doctor.
I have an appointment at 3 p.m.
Exactly. Receptionist, the person at the front desk. They take your name and appointment. Now, some health words. Headache, pain in your head. Stomachache, pain in your stomach. Sore throat, your throat hurts. Cough, you make a sound from your chest. Fever, your body is too hot. Dizzy, you feel like the room is moving. Nauseous, you feel you might vomit. We can just say, "I feel sick" for that. Allergy, allergic, your body reacts badly to something.
That is a lot, but very useful.
Don't worry, we will use them in easy sentences. First, let's talk about making an appointment. On the phone or at reception, you can say, "I'd like to see a doctor, please." "I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. I'd like to make an appointment."
Let me try. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor, please.
Perfect. The receptionist might ask, "What's your name? What's your date of birth? Do you have insurance? Is it an emergency?"
And I answer, "My name is Alvin. It's May 10th, 1995. Yes, I have insurance. No, it's not an emergency."
Very good. Now the big moment. You are in the doctor's room. The doctor says, "So, what seems to be the problem?"
The scary line.
We will make it less scary. We use two main patterns. Pattern 1, I have plus a health word. I have a headache. I have a stomachache. I have a cough. I have a fever. I have a sore throat.
I have a headache and a sore throat. I have a cough and a fever.
Excellent. Pattern 2, my plus body part hurts. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. My knee hurts. My chest hurts.
So I can say, my back hurts when I sit for a long time.
Exactly. Very useful sentence. The doctor also needs to know how long you had the problem. Simple pattern. I've had this for time. I've had this for 2 days. I've had this for 1 week. I've had this for 3 months. Or it started plus time word. It started yesterday. It started last night. It started on Monday.
Let me try a full answer. I have a bad headache. I've had this for 3 days. It started Friday afternoon.
That is exactly what a doctor needs to know. Let's do our first role play. I will be the doctor. You be Alvin.
Okay, I will be brave.
Hi, Alvin. So, what seems to be the problem?
Hi, doctor. I have a stomachache and my head hurts.
I see. How long have you had this?
I've had this for 2 days. It started yesterday afternoon.
Do you have a fever?
I think a little. I feel hot and tired.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, not yet.
That was very good, clear and simple.
And no, my everything is pain.
Yes, we are improving. Now, some more useful answers for doctors' questions. Doctor, do you have any allergies? You, yes, I'm allergic to penicillin. Or, I'm allergic to peanuts. Or, no, I don't have any allergies. Doctor, do you smoke? You, no, I don't smoke. Or, yes, I smoke a little. Doctor, do you drink alcohol? You, no. Or, sometimes, but not much.
So I don't need long answers. Short and honest is enough.
Exactly. Now the doctor gives you advice. Important words, medicine, pills or tablets, what you take to feel better, prescription, paper for medicine from the pharmacy, rest, relax, don't work hard. Some common sentences from the doctor. Take this medicine twice a day, morning and night. Take 1 pill 3 times a day after food. Drink plenty of water. You need to rest. Come back if it doesn't get better. If you feel worse, go to the hospital.
Let me react. Okay, so I take 1 pill 3 times a day after I eat, and I should rest and drink water.
Perfect. Always repeat the instructions to be sure you understood. Let's do role play number 2. I am the doctor again. Alvin, you have a small infection in your throat. I'm going to give you some medicine. Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals for 5 days. Drink plenty of water and try to rest.
Okay, thank you, doctor. So I take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening after I eat for 5 days, and I should drink water and rest.
Exactly. If you don't feel better after 5 days, please come back.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
See? Now your conversation is calm, not full of panic.
Yes, I feel like a real patient now, not a confused tourist.
Let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1, saying only, I don't feel good. It's okay, but it doesn't give much information. Better, I don't feel good, I have a headache and a fever. Mistake 2, using I have pain in my head for everything. Of course, doctors understand, but more natural is I have a headache or my head hurts.
So ache for head and stomach, hurts for any body part.
Yes. Backache, toothache too. Mistake 3. Forgetting to say how long. The doctor really needs to know if it is 1 hour or 2 weeks. So always add, I've had this for, or it started.
I've had this for 3 days. I've had this for 1 month. It started last night.
Exactly. Now, some simple tips to help you at the doctor. Tip 1. Before you go, write a few words in English on paper or on your phone. For example, headache, fever, tired, 2 days. You can read from your phone if you forget.
That is a great idea. We don't need to remember everything in our head.
Tip 2. Use your hands and body language. Point to the place that hurts. Show here. Say, it hurts here.
Doctors are used to that.
Yes. Tip 3. Ask the doctor to repeat or speak slowly. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Can you write that down for me, please?
They will not be angry?
No, they want you to understand. Your health is important. Tip 4. If possible, take a friend who speaks more English or call someone on video to help translate.
So many options. I feel less afraid now.
Let's do a quick review. You can say, I'd like to see a doctor, please. I have an appointment at 3 p.m. I have a headache, stomachache, cough, fever. My back hurts. My chest hurts when I breathe. I've had this for 3 days. It started last night. I'm allergic to. I'm not taking any medicine. Take this twice a day. Drink plenty of water. You need to rest. Come back if it doesn't get better.
And important questions. Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little more slowly? Can you write that down for me, please?
Excellent. Alvin, how do you feel now about going to the doctor in English?
Honestly, much better. I still don't love going to the doctor, but now I'm not afraid of English.
That is a big win.
Before, my problem was 2 things, my health and my English. Now, at least one of them is better.
Exactly. Now we have a small task for you.
Yes, your homework.
In the comments, write 2 simple sentences like a patient. Sentence 1, your problem. Sentence 2, how long?
For example, I have a sore throat and a cough. I've had this for 3 days.
Or, my back hurts when I sit. It started last week.
You can make it real or you can imagine. We just want you to practice.
And remember, this video is not a doctor. It is only for English. If you are really sick, please see a real doctor.
Yes, very important. If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with someone who is shy to speak English at the clinic.
In our next episode, we will talk about something lighter. How to talk about a good day and a bad day in simple English.
Oh, nice. Health today, feelings tomorrow.
Exactly. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You are doing a great job with your English, really. Just by listening, you are taking care of your English health.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to see a doctor. You just need a few clear, simple sentences.
And now you have them.
We believe in you.
Take care of your body, keep practicing English.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.